Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be here, to finally manage to be here, because this is something which I wanted to do for such a long time. I somehow never could figure out, how to, the equipment and the filming space and all that. I had a very small apartment before, and now I just moved like 2 weeks ago in a new place where I can finally have my filming area, my setup, and do, create the content what I want. And I might do an apartment tour as well later on if this is something what is interesting you. So I'm super excited now to be here and start YouTube. For me it's very new and I'm so happy to be part here on YouTube. I think YouTube is such a great opportunity, for everyone, and I'm so grateful for Google, and YouTube creating this platform for all of us, so we can actually produce content we like and share it with our subscribers. This channel will be all about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related topics. Of course, you guys can comment me down below if there is something you would like to see, or if you have any idea of videos I should create. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I try really my best to answer. So since I'm just starting out this, I don't think I will get that many comments, so it's easy for me to comment. And I really hope you guys like my videos, of course. And I really give my best to produce nice videos for you. They will be helpful for you. For now, I will just start with this makeup look, which is kind of I don't even know how I should call it, because actually it should supposed to be something else and it turned out completely different. But I hope you guys like it. Of course, what I produce here, these are things which I like, which I hope if I share it with you that you might like it too, and it's somehow helpful for you. So this is something I love so much, to sharing things I like with you guys. And in another video I will then explain a little bit more about me. I was actually a professional dancer for many years. And also what I wanted to say, I live in Switzerland, I am Swiss, and English is not my mother language, so I apologize when my English is not so perfect. I did live for a while in America and as well in England, so this is where I really started to learn English, but it's not my mother language, so sometimes I say something wrong, so I apologize for my imperfect English. But I hope you guys can understand me, right? We jump right away to the first makeup tutorial, which is this look. I actually will list all the products down below in the description box. If you like my videos, I would be so happy if you give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you like. I'm super happy you came to this channel to watch this video, so I hope you come back and watch my next video. Okay, so guys, I wish you a very nice day, and I see you soon.